Hi, it's Stu from StuTech with yet another tech tip of the day. Now, I don't know what I'm going to talk about today. Well, actually, I do because I plan these out, but I'm not going to tell you. So let's see what we got going on today. Hi, everyone. Today's tech tip is about YouTube 101. So you're already watching us right here on YouTube, the StuTech Tech Tip video of the day. But it's not just for tech tips, even though I'd love for you to just sit there and watch everything we have to do. And there's cat videos, but there's a really good amount of great information. I was once told that YouTube is the number 2 search engine after Google. So on YouTube, you can search, subscribe to cool stuff, turn on notifications so you never miss episodes of like the StuTech Tech Tips, right? It's like TV, but just smarter. So I'm Stu from StuTech with today's tech tip on YouTube. On YouTube. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. And there you have it. Another StuTech Tech Tip of the day. Now, I would hope that you pass these on, but always remember, if you have a tech problem, call us, not your kids.